Okay, so we're going to talk about this topic once and for all. Is fruit good or bad for you? Here's what your doctor does not have time to explain. The fruit was never the problem. The problem was that you don't move enough to justify using the amount of carbohydrates that come from the amount of fruit that you're eating, and you don't have the baseline muscle that will buffer the amount of carbs that you're eating with all of that fruit. So your insulin is going to stay elevated longer than it should, and then fat loss is going to start feeling harder than it should. But here's the problem. After 40, these effects get a little bit more pronounced because your body stops responding to you just doing more, and it responds more to precision. The conditions get more difficult because your body wants you to sharpen your habits. And once you are able to actually sharpen your habits, the weight loss is not going to be nearly as difficult as you think it is right now. It's just like a spear. A spear doesn't perform better by being heavier. It gets better by becoming sharper. And you sharpen things by doing something repeatedly over and over again until it reaches a point. If you're over 40, know that it is going to get more difficult to achieve the same results. What you need to do is sharpen your habits, sharpen the way you eat, sharpen the way you sleep, sharpen the way you process stress, sharpen the way you drink water, sharpen the people that you're around, and sharpen your mind. All of these are going to lead to you having better outcomes as far as your fat loss. Just like with a spear, you need to do something over and over until you have the sharpness of a spear, and that is called a routine. And the routine is what's going to be composed of your habits that are now sharpened. And once your habits are sharpened, it's not going to matter that you ate a little bit of fruit. But we're going to go over what the habits actually are that need to be sharpened in the next post. Follow this page for more on that. See you in the next one.